Hello guys, good morning. So today I want to start with DXY. Let's see what it has been doing and how it's behaving. And let's start on weekly. So there has been a war between US, Israel, Iran that's been going on. Other countries have been involved as well. So what has the dollar been doing? Now here it shows that the dollar has been gaining actually massively. Okay, on a daily, actually for the past 2 days it has been going up massively. Now it has swept this region. It has swept this region. You see, it has swept that region, and now it's retracing a little bit. We'll need to see where it reaches to continue up. Okay, so with that in mind, let's see what our gold has been doing yesterday. So it's pouring out here today. My internet is a little bit slow, but here we are. This is what's been happening. Yesterday we had a very bearish day. Actually, many people were wiped out if they were not careful. So it came down. Now it's retraced up. Don't know if it will go up, but according to me, in my analysis today, if it has not reached at least here, I cannot consider it going back up. Maybe it's going back to get some liquidity and then come down. I don't see it going continuous up. Before we continue, let's check the news for today. So today we have, okay, I see Audi, their governor for finance is speaking. So for JPY, we have CPI for the euro, but it doesn't seem so hot. But I know that one will move the market in the euro side. Now today we don't have any. No, this is wrong. Sorry. That's wrong. That's for yesterday. For today we have Audi GDP, and CHF not so strong that. And then we have ADP non-farm employment change, that's at 4:15, and then ISM PMI at 6 p.m. So this might also bring down some gold. Actually lately I've been seeing news from the USD has been coming out strong. Seems the economy, what Trump has been doing in the past with the tariffs and such, is working, and now I see that's they're seeing some fruits, but we'll wait and see today. I'm seeing some news here. Ordered USDFC to provide insurance and guarantees for all maritime trade, especially energy trading through the Gulf. Effective immediately, I have ordered the United States Development Finance Corporation to provide at a very reasonable price political risk insurance and guarantees for the financial security of all maritime trade, especially energy trading, traveling through the Gulf. This will be available to all shipping lines. If necessary, the United States Navy will begin escorting tankers through the Strait of Hormuz as soon as possible. No matter what, the United States will ensure the free flow of energy to the world. The United States economic and military might be the greatest on. Bear with me here. Let's see this. It's going to Truth Social. I don't know if I have an account here. Be the greatest on earth. More actions to come. Thank you for the attention to this matter, President Donald J. Trump. Okay, so this correlates with the fight that's going on with Iran, because they said that any ship that's going to through the Straits of Hormuz, they will bomb. Right now, it seems that Trump wants to escalate this by protecting any ship that wants to take oil through that. Remember, I saw another news that Iraq had reduced its number of barrels per day because of this, because they cannot move. Okay, so let's see, that one we'll have to wait and see what will happen. Back to our chart, let's see what we have on the 4 hour. Assuming our thinking is correct, where would it get some liquidity? The first liquidity is in this region. Shit. Remove the magnet. Stay where I want you. The first one is in this region, okay? So it has to come sweep up there, to be specific, so you can know what I'm looking at. It's in that region, okay? So it needs to come sweep there and then come back down. Now, if it does behave like that, where would it stop next? I would say that it would stop in this region, okay? It will stop there, or go a little bit down to that. But we'll wait and see. What can tell us that it has actually done this is if it does this, okay? Right now it's heading up, so let's say it continues. It continues up here. This one misbehaving. So let's say it goes up here, comes down here, and then up, and then breaks. Now once it has broken, it comes a little bit up, and then now boom, okay? So we need to wait for that to know that's happened. But if it does something like this, and then comes up here, and then up there, and then that way, it's going up, okay? So we need to wait and see what will happen. You just need to be patient for it to do its thing, but until then, there's nothing else we can do, okay? We just wait. I know we will get some entries. Always follow your rules, please, 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 guys. Always follow your rules. This is my own personal view. I'm not a market maker, so remember, it can move in any direction. I always wait for confirmation, retest, and then I can get in. If it has not done that, I better stay out of a trade than to lose money, okay? You need to be careful, okay? Be very, very careful. So that's it today, and hope it goes well. See you in the next one. Cheers.